So I want to make a quick correction to my recent Phonak Infinio Sphere Ultra review. In that video, I cover all of my hands-on testing and lab data from HearAdvisor. However, there was one kind of key aspect I got wrong. I mentioned that the Spheric Speech Clarity feature didn't perform as well as expected in noise. After following up with Phonak's R&D team, that wasn't actually the right conclusion. And here's why. Well, as it turns out, what we thought we were testing was their Spheric Speech Clarity in Loud Noise program, which uses their DNN or Deep Neural Network-based processing, Deepsonic. But as it turns out, we were actually testing their standard Speech in Loud Noise program. And as you'll see in just a moment, those are two very different things. The standard version uses more traditional directionality, things like stereo zoom, basically focusing or narrowing in on speech in front of you. The spheric version, on the other hand, is where the AI processing kicks in. That's the Deepsonic system that's trained on real-world sound environments. So once we figured this out, we of course went back, reran the tests, and crunched the numbers. And what we found out was rather impressive. When Spheric Speech Clarity is engaged, the results look much more in line with what we'd expect, and they were extremely good. We also no longer see that gain decrease I mentioned in my previous video. I'll throw the HearAdvisor data up on screen so you can see it, but the short version is there is a measurable improvement when Phonak's DNN processing is being used. And again, this is their dedicated Sphere Speech in Loud Noise program. Now, this can definitely be confusing, and I'm not just saying that because I got it wrong initially, but there are multiple programs and it's not always clear which one is best for a given environment. But this is exactly why Phonak includes their automatic program, AutoSense OS. This system continuously switches between different listening programs based on your surroundings. And importantly, that does include Spheric Speech in Loud Noise. So to simplify it, if you're using Phonak Sphere or Sphere Ultra, don't worry. If you haven't manually selected that program or gone deep into the settings with your provider, you already have access to this DNN-based processing, and your hearing aids should automatically switch to it when the situation calls for it. As a quick sidebar, I would like to thank the researchers at Phonak and Sonova. We had several great conversations digging into this topic, and they were very collaborative in helping get to the bottom of what we were seeing in our results. So whether you watch the full review or not, here's the key takeaway. If you want that DNN Deepsonic-based noise reduction, you need to be in the Spheric Speech and Loud Noise program, not the Speech in Loud Noise one. Alternatively, you can just leave your hearing aids in the automatic program and they should land on that DNN when appropriate. Also, once we did switch to the correct program, we did notice improvements in the overall speech performance. But that is it for this video. Please let me know down below if you have any questions, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.